Hello student, today we will do question number 15 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT math books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have to find integration of this. So first we will simplify this. Cos qx and e and log will cut. E and log. This will cut. So this will become sin x. So integration of this cos cube x into sin x dx. So let here cos x is equal to t. If differentiate both sides, so this will be minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Then sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Now we'll put here. So this will be cos qx means tq and sin x dx is equal to minus dt. So this will be minus dt is equal to minus tq dt is equal to minus t to the power 4 by 4 plus c. If we'll put value of t here, so the value is cos x, so this will be cos 4x divided by 4 plus c, and here will be minus. This is minus. This is answer. I hope you must have understood the solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.